With the preparation complete, it's time to begin rebuilding the damaged wood. The first step is applying the WRP consolidant. The consolidant is brushed thoroughly into the prepared wood, allowing it to penetrate the surface and create a strong foundation for the restoration. Every exposed area is coated carefully to ensure the remaining wood is properly prepared before the rebuilding process begins. Next, equal amounts of WRP Epoxy Dough, Part A and Part B, are combined and mixed together until a uniform color is achieved. Proper mixing is essential to ensure the material cures correctly and provides maximum strength. Once mixed, the epoxy dough is firmly pressed into the damaged area, making sure every cavity and void is completely filled. The material is worked into the wood to create a solid bond while rebuilding the missing sections of the beam. Additional epoxy is applied where needed to restore the beam back to its original profile. The restoration is built slightly proud of the finished surface, so there's enough material for shaping and final finishing. As the epoxy begins to cure, the beam starts taking its original form once again. Careful placement during this stage helps reduce sanding later and creates a more accurate finished restoration. At this point, the structural rebuilding is complete. In the next step, the beam will be shaped, sanded, and finished using WRP Topping Compound to match the surrounding wood before primer and paint are applied.